Hello and welcome to Easy Tech Geek. Today in this video we will get to know about 5 incredible amazing apps in Microsoft Store. So let's get started. So the number 5 application is Adobe Photoshop Express. This is an incredible app. I must say that you can beautify your picture. There will be loads of filters, effects, adjustments. I mean, it's incredible. You can use this product absolutely free in Microsoft Store. And the second product is Netflix. We all know about Netflix and it's a wonderful app. I mean, if you talk about the pictures, the movies, the TV series, it's all there in Netflix. You can use it. The third app is the Aliexpress. You must have heard about Amazon, Flipkart, right? So Aliexpress is also a giant store where you can find the products in a very cheap the quality will remain same, and it will be at least 5 times less price compared to Amazon or any other websites. So you can check it out in the AliExpress store and get the things to buy. The fourth application is Spotify. Yes, this is a music app. You must have heard about it. You can install it and you can use it for free and you will love it. And the number one app is Dropbox. Yes, you heard it right. Dropbox. Or you can say OneDrive as well, but I prefer Dropbox because of its space, reliability, user friendliness and everything. You get 5 gigabytes of free space in it and it's awesome. You can drag and drop your pictures from the computer to the app, and you can also have synchronization service.